Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch the accomplishment of our Honorable City Mayor, Honorable Myla Rosario Tinque, Show VTR.
Alam, Tuguegarao.
Tayo na tayuhin ang pagdiriwang namin. Magagandang ikikay buong puso sa salubungin. Kami nagkaganda sa inyong pagdating. Tayo magsaya at magbigay ng papuri. Nag-aalap ng pasasalamat sa pagpapala mula sa taas. Tayo'y umindang sa masayang tugtog na may kumbas ng bawat panalangin. Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Pagtulong at pagbabago sa pamamahala. May tapang at lakas upang harapin ang bukas. May tiyaga at sipag, mayroong pagkakaisa. May dangal at kultura, smart, iba ng city. Nag-aalap na pasasalamat sa pagpapala mula sa taas. Tayo'y umindang sa masayang tugtog na may kumpas ng bawat panalangin. Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tuguegarao City, a beautiful place, a home for you and me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Nag-aalap ng pasasalamat sa pagpapala mula sa taas. Tayo'y umindang sa masayang tugtog na may kumpas ang bawat panalangin. Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival.
Yung buong tapang harapin ang buong yakap ang tagumpay. Tulungan ng hapon, bigyang alaga, huwag tangin ng pababa.
Miss Tuguegarao City, candidate number 1, Kate Marinela Lungan.
Subukan natin yung isulong natin alam. Bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo. Salubungin ng kinabukasan.
Miss Tuguegarao, number 2, Josephine
Tuguegarao City number 3, Maria Fatima Mboco.
Hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ng tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapantay, wala sa Diyos ang sandalatay. Bukan natin may tulong at kawan na gandang bukas. Kawan ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
Miss Tuguegarao City number 4, Aubrey Nicole A. Tumane.
Miss Tuguegarao City number 5, Heidi Corsino.
Miss Tuguegarao City number 6, Mary Amiel and Zinagay.
Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, lahat ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y mangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas,
Miss Tuguegarao City number 7, Sandara Vivilo.
Miss Tuguegarao City number 8, Rika Alam Tataw.
Nakang katawan, pagkain, sayaw, sining at musika, sinasalamin sa ating kultura. Pilipinas, tunay kang nagdidinig sa bawat pasikat ng araw. Kagandahan ay matatanaw sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y mangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat ang sigaw. Alamya, viva, huha! Alamya!
Kabuluhang selebrasyon, pasasalamat sa mahal na
Miss
Panginoon.
Tuguegarao City number 9, Colleen Danica Esbelen.
Sa ganahan,
Pilipinas, tunay kang nagdidinig sa bawat pasikat ng araw. Daman ay matatanaw sa biyayang umapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. Alamya, viva!
Miss Tuguegarao City number 10, Diane Nicole V. Anna.
Halina't ating tuklasin, ipapawin ay di pa rin, iyang dagat ay sisirin, iyang mundo ay ang
D. Cabalza.
Tara na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta na Pilipinas.
Miss Tuguegarao City, number 13.
Tara na Pilipinas,
Trisha Cabadlo.
Pilipinas, tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta na Pilipinas. Saan mang dapol, sa Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Awit mo ay salamin ng iyong buhay. Awitin ang buong
Miss Tuguegarao City, number 14, Russell Bracy Paralag.
Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta na Pilipinas. Pag malaki, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Kikinig sa kwento ng iyong buhay at saksi ang buong bansa.
Miss Tuguegarao City, number 15, Lay Dayan Cariaga.
Para na kanta ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Para na kanta ng Pilipinas, oo, para na kanta ng Pilipinas. Di mo naman talaga may tatanggi, galing Pilipino kapatid, hindi ko ay laging mananais.
Miss Tuguegarao City, number 16, Jolina Desiderio.
Oh yeah, ate!
Gutang ang galing ng Pinas. Dito ka na, tara na, kanta na!
Ang ugali mo kapatid kailanman, buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta, kakanta. Kakanta ng Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta ng Pilipinas, oh.
Miss Tuguegarao City, number 17, Chabelita M. Arena.
Ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta ng Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta ng Pilipinas. Tara na Pilipinas, kanta na ang galing ng Pilipinas. Tara na kanta ng Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta ng Pilipinas.
Once again, let's all welcome back our 21 lovely candidates in the Festival Attire Competition.
Tuguegarao! Tuguegarao! Yaw, Tuguegarao! Yaw, Tuguegarao! Ho, 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 ho. 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 Tayo na't tayuhin ang diriwang namin. Magagandang itigay buong pusong sasalubungin. Kami nagagandang sa inyong pagdating.
Tayo'y magsaya at magbigay ng papuri.
Nagpaalap napasasalamat sa pagpapala mula sa taas.
Tayo'y umindak sa masayang tuktok, kamay kumpas sa bawat panalangin.
Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival.
Tuguegarao! Tuguegarao!
Tulong at pagbabago sa pamamahala. May tama at lakas upang harapin ang bukas.
May sagang sipag, mayroong pagkakaisa. May dangal at kultura, smart, iba ng city.
Nag-aanap ng pasasalamat mula sa kanan, mula sa taas. Tayo'y umiblak sa masayang tuktok ng may kumpas ng bawat panalangin.
Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival.
Tuguegarao City, a beautiful place, a home for you and me. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Nagpaalam na pasasalamat sa pagpapala mula sa taas. Tayo'y umindak sa masayang tuktok na may kumpas ng bawat panalangin. Ating isigaw, Pavvurulun Afi Festival!
In line with this year's celebration, Pavvurulun Festival, this shows camaraderie, oneness, and unity. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to please stand as we sing the Tuguegarao City Hymn. Please all rise.
In the southern part of Cagayan, there lies a place so deep, where beauty lives and joyful hymns and children's laughter we hear. It's verdant hills and plains where live the wondrous blessings flow, and from her bosom flows a river, abounds with gifts untold. Tuguegarao, when yours let us trip, for our city love so deep. Our joy for today and our hope for tomorrow, may should live forevermore. God bless the city of Tuguegarao, may she ever be safe and free. Tuguegarao City, a beautiful place, a home for you and me. Her people blessed with minds of greatness, wisdom, truth, and strength. They work in peace and unity, toward prosperity, and gladly welcome everyone
Pataray and BJ Andrada. My costume is inspired by the beauty of Tuguegarao. My costume is what we call Di Paraiso, where you can showcase the beauty of Tuguegarao in all aspects. Thank you.
Wow, so that's really where they got the idea to create and to finally wear this beautiful creation. All right, so thank you so much and good luck on the coronation night.
Yes, partner. And of course, I would like also to interview our beautiful candidate number 20. And you look stunning with your festival costume. And indeed, you are the Afi Queen Festival. Ayan, palakpakan po natin candidate number 20. And of course, candidate number 20, what inspired you to create and use this festival costume?
This costume is designed by the ever brilliant Abby Bican, my handler. So my inspiration for this costume is of course the Pavvurulun Afi Festival and the burning passion of Tuguegaraoeños for our city. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 20. Thank you so much. Yes, partner?
And yes, right now, I'm right over here with my partner, candidate number 14. All right, Russell, can you tell us more about the history of what is this all about, your festival costume?
First of all, I would like to thank my designer, which is Sir Kevin Malilin. And this costume is colored red and orange, which symbolizes the warmth of every Tuguegaroeños here in our city. Thank you.
I love the energy. Partner, what do we have there?
All right, so this one really catches my attention. You know, every detail, every incorporated designs, it really means a lot, but I like to hear it from our candidate number 12. So can you please tell me more about this costume that you're wearing?
Thank you, sir. First, I want to thank my designers. You are all so great and amazing. Without you, I will not be able to stand in front of hundreds or thousands of people with this beautiful gown. My inspiration for this is the beautiful culture of Tuguegarao itself. As you can see, this is entitled The Visitacion, La Visitacion, where it means the visit. As you visit Tuguegarao, you will see the different cultures, backgrounds, and especially the delicacies here in Tuguegarao City, such as Batil Patong. And at my back, as you can see, is the corn, which symbolizes the fertile land of Tuguegarao City and the main crops of our amazing farmers. And this light up here symbolizes the hope here in Tuguegarao City despite adversities. That's all. Thank you!
Thank you, candidate number 12. I really love this. But of course, thank you and good luck on the coronation night.
Yes, partner! And of course, I was starstruck by candidate number 4. Ayan, meron siyang chicharabaw. Tikman nga natin yung chicharabaw ni candidate number 4. Wow! Ang sarap ng chicharabaw ni candidate number 4. There you have it. And of course, candidate number 4, can you please explain to us the details of your festival costume?
Greeting Tuguegarao. So my creative costume is inspired by Chicharabao of Tuguegarao City. This is designed by no other than Miss Jepango of Isabela. So, Lighthouse Cooperative, baka naman!
Ayan, palakpakan natin si candidate number 4. And of course, featuring di pasalubong ng bayan and ang kilalang Chicharabao dito sa Tuguegarao. Ayan, ayan. Maraming salamat, candidate number 4.
And of course, mucho, mucho, gucho, everybody. Hindi rin magpapahuli ang aking partner na si candidate number 13, Trisha. I'm actually a bit scared of the costume, pero can you tell us the history? Ano ba ang inspiration ng iyong festival costume tonight?
Of course, it is very evident. Today, I am wearing costume that is inspired by Annamais. Who are the... Okay, thank you. Thank you for that support. Oh, this does not expose the dark side of the Tuguegarao, but it manifests the true nature of a woman, that is being graceful, warm, and open to all, and at the same time, powerful, who can stand firm and defend herself against gender and social-based issues. And I believe that this costume only signify that women alone could empower themselves, and that is what I like other women to emulate from me. Thank you and have a good night.
Alright, so medyo nakakatakot nga kasi it's inspired by Annamais.
People are screaming.
Alright, so one of the unique designs that I encountered here, it's the famous Tuguegarao City Batil Baton! Alright, so candidate number 9, you know what? This is a very famous delicacy of Tuguegarao, but I'd like to hear from you straight. What made you decide to create and wear this creative attire?
Naibag garabi amin kada tayo Tuguegarawenyos! Daytoy nga costume ket inspirasyon itinaglulob nga apoy ti Tuguegarao, which is the Afi Festival. Makita yung met nga daytoy aditoy likod ko ket Batil Batong, which is isuti pakakilala iti Tuguegarao City. And daytoy nga costume ket aramid ni Mr. Jepango. Thank you.
All right, so thank you so much. This derives from the Afi, Pavvurulun, and the famous Pansit Batil Baton.
Wow, parang gusto ko na tuloy kumain ng pansit batil baton. All right, let's now proceed here with candidate number 5. And of course, ayan, buhay ba ang iyong ibon? Yes, ayan. So, anong tawag sa attire mo?
Hello everyone, good evening. I am wearing the beautiful creation of Miss Trixie Prada, and this inspires our Philippine eagle, which shows the characteristics of Tuguegareños by being bold, being fierce, and being independent in any adversities that they might face. Thank you.
Wow, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.